Hello, this is Lucas, and in this video I'm going to be going over the FlexBox in CSS. So I have a div created here, and we have a couple more divs within this flex container that we're going to be turning into a flex box. So this is how it looks like at the moment, just a list of numbers. So now in our CSS we will call this class that we have here. So we'll do dot flex container, okay, and then we want to display it in a flex. Okay, we need to do a flex. We'll do flex wrap, and then we can say if we want to wrap it or not. Let's just do a no wrap for now. We'll change the background color to I'll just change it to Dodger blue for now. Right, this is just setting the color. And then what we'll do is we'll call this again. So we'll do a flex container, and we'll do an arrow going into the div. What this does is it targets all of these divs within this flex container. Then we can just change like the background color. So I'll do like F1, F1, F1. We'll change the width. This is just some basic CSS that we are adding, just to present the flexbox in just a little better way. We'll set the margin to 10 pixels. We will align the text to the center. We will set the line height. I'll just do 60 pixels. And then finally we'll set the font size, and I'll do the font size as 30 pixels. Sure. So now how it looks like is if we save that, we go to our page, refresh this, we get this. Okay, and if I make it smaller, you can see it just condenses down. Okay, if I make it bigger, obviously it just makes it bigger. So, but you can see that it doesn't go onto the next line. The reason for that is because we have set this as no wrap. If we set this as just wrap, what's going to happen is, refresh this, you can see already that it started to wrap. So now if I make this bigger and smaller. Okay, so that's the way the flexbox works. That's about it for this video. Hope this video helped. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.